Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to recover the deleted files from Google File Save folder. So we'll talk about it, either we can recover it, if we can, how, but if we cannot, then what is the possible reasons or what are the possible solutions. So as you can see, like this is the official website of Files by Google Help. So as you can see, Files by Google Help, this is the official community which have added by the Google, and someone asked same question: recover deleted photos and videos of save folder. So can you do it? So if I scroll down, someone asked the same question, like can they do it? So as you can see, like this is the person Joe Very, a diamond product expert. So this is basically a kind of, you can say that an expert person which have been recommended by the Google team that this can be the legit answer. So hello, unfortunately it is, if the save folder content was deleted, it cannot be recovered. You may want to see if you have uploaded copies of files elsewhere on Google Photos or Google Drive, or perhaps backed them up externally to a USB drive. So these are some of the possible solutions which you can try to solve your problem. But if you have not done any of this, so you won't be able to recover your data from the save folder of Google. So that is all about can you recover it or not.